Okay, so that's the desiccant for my air compressor filter system, and this is the filter kit. This filter goes up underneath, and I'm not sure how to get that out of there. I'll have to look. I think there's a C-clip in there, but this filter here goes at the bottom, so I got to dump all this stuff out and to change that filter. So let me see what I can do here to do so. So that's the filter down there. So I gotta pull it out and replace it with this one. So let me do that. So I believe I see what has to happen here. I'm gonna have to use a screwdriver and pop this off so I can get this filter off out of here. So that shouldn't be too bad. So let me go get a screwdriver to do that with. So I just about busted my ass falling off this ladder. That would have been cool. Alright, I gotta use two hands to do this, folks. Alright, old one is out. New one's fixing to go in, but I think I got crap all over it. See what's going on here. Alright. Okay, new one is on and up in there. I'm digging that. There we go. So that's working out okay. Alright, put my desiccant from there back into here. There's a few that are slightly blue, but it's still looking pretty good, so no need to do anything with it. And then put this back together and slam it on up there. This is that's that. Back up and pressurized. Right on. Alright. The broken plastic one I took out. I bought two new metal ones. There's one of them. The other one's over on the bench there. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put another metal one up over there. To use for extra air hoses that I have that are now on the ground there. And extra extension cords which are there. And you can see I got a crap load of extension cords up there. So this is all electrical wire. I gotta go put it in the way back there. It's from projects and stuff. Anyway, let's I gotta drill some pilot holes over there to hang that metal rack up right there. So I can use it to hang some hoses. So let me get at that. I'm using my phone. My GoPro's in the house, and I'm not going back to get it. So this will just be a quick hit for today. Storming outside, so get a few little odds and ends done in the shop. Got a lot I need to do in here, but it ain't happening today. So I did some tidying up yesterday. I put on these put up those hose racks to get some air hose and extension cords up off the deck, and tidied this corner up, so it looks better. I got to change this out. This is such a shitty reel. It's a cheap reel, but it's doing what it needs to. I got to get at that chainsaw just to check out what's going on with it. It's just not performing as it should. Right on. Scored, I got actually 2 sets. This is 1 set. I've got another one that's a bit shorter, but I scored 2 sets of axle straps. And most when I'm locking stuff down on the trailer and whatnot, a lot of times finding strap or hold points on the equipment or whatever is just awkward at times, and sometimes the straps have to go over edges and corners and rips up the strap. So I bought 2 sets of axle straps, these 4 here, and I got another 4 that I already put back. I'll put these out in the trailer box, but awesome, good score. Yeah, they're 5,000 to 12,000 pound brake strength, 31 inch, but 2 inch wide. So brake strength is 10,000 pounds. Safe is 33 approximately. Right on. Glad I got them. Right on. Another glorious day. Actually, today is a glorious day. Man, it's nice and cool out. There's no raining, blue skies. This has been one of the best days ever. So, digging on that. Dig on that the most. Man, my peppers are getting like mucho big now. Keep growing, peppers. Got some tomatoes down here. And this rain's just kicking the shit out of these tomatoes. It's cracking their skin. But they still taste great. Been having some awesome Greek salads. Alright. Gotta get these dogs. Man, there's tomatoes going red everywhere in there now. Come on, guys. Let's get in your house. Come on. Good boys. Good girls. Go on, Shelby's. Go on, Shelby's. Good girl. Good girl, Shelbs. Jax, are you in the shade already, huh? Gotta get this pen taken care of. Gotta get some weed whacking going on in it. There we go. All right, puppies. Then I got some cool signs for the pets that we've had and lost. Okay, so let's see what we got here. BK Forest stands for Barn Kitty. That was a stray cat we had around here that hung out in the barn and got mice and birds, but was a very good kitty. And unfortunately, Roush, our Jax, got a hold of BK Kitty and did BK Kitty in. Nala was another stray kitty that we'd had for many years from the other house. We brought her over here, and she hung out with Margot upstairs a lot, and again, unfortunately, her and Jax ran into each other, and it wasn't such a happy ending for Nala. So Nala and BK got in tangles with Jax, and unfortunately didn't do too well. Roush was the best dog ever. He was our first big king shepherd. He was big and he was a king. He was the smartest dog, but he was just the best dog, man. Didn't care for other animals, loved people, but didn't care for other animals too much, or other dogs. Every one of our dogs that we've had when Roush was around has a big scar across their nose from him chomping them. That's the dog pound, that's for the kennel I just put him in. Jenny, she was one of our sweetest dogs. They'd gotten her out of a kill shelter, or she was in a kill shelter, and then they rescued her. She was the sweetest dog, and she just kind of succumbed to age and some issues there. And Mary Park was one of our German Shepherds that we had rescued. She was such a twit and a dingbat. Good heart, but little brain. And she ran off the road and off the property onto the road and got hit by a vehicle. So, but I've had all these signs made for our pets that were parts of our family. So I can put them up around the property. That's why I did. Mary Park will be for the corner over here where I call the park. Jenny Meadow for the meadow area. BK for the wooded areas. Nala Lane, that the strip that goes back along the pastures and down by the pond. Call that the lane, so that'll be Nala Lane. And Roush Trail is the trail that the dogs always walk on. But I've got to put those signs up, and we'll deal with that at some point in time. All right, well, let me get going on with the day here. But I think the first thing I'm going to do this morning, real quick, to try to knock out, is use the skid steer with the bush hog and go back and get along the meadow and the lane back there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, tree trimming time here.
Off you go. Alright. Those are behind me, damn it. Sketchy as shit on these rocks. I think we got that, guys, pretty well. I think we let these things get too big.
Well,
I just
thought I
cleared
better
off.
check on you. I didn't see you around the corner.
That was because I was up there.
Okay. I gotta get those stupid trees growing out of those rhododendrons. I'm gonna cut them down.
Get what now?
There's trees growing out of those rhododendrons.
Well, there's clippers and all kinds of stuff to take care of that. What?
I know, it's just, I'm always mowing when I think, gosh, I gotta take care of that. I never have those things in my hands. I can't believe how much this grass has grown since you cut it. I may as well just cut it again.
No, it's always the time to cut it now. It's pretty low.
Well, then look how high it is along the wall. Like, look at this stupid tree.
Well, maybe I didn't get it along the wall.
It's a healthy tree. Healthier than the rhododendrons, I think. I'm going to move these eventually. I don't know what this is.
Looks like a maple leaf.
I don't think it's a maple leaf. Thank you.
It looks like to me. The quinces.
I don't think it's maple. Really? Maybe I do.
That shows. I'm just trying to get it. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Got this ladder too far. All right, so I've already hit this a few times with my gizmo here, but I'm gonna hit it again with the pressure washer because I left the stuff soaking on there. So let me give this a twirl here and be done with this thing. about what I'm doing today. I got the big stuff off, but I'm still seeing different hues of things. Like in here. Let me see if I can't get this better. So, what do we got here? This is my telescoping wand right here, and it's got 3 tubes that extend out. It like reaches. I love this ladder. It's fiberglass. Have it for quite some time. And that's my extended chainsaw. So all tools of the wear today. Got these trees all trimmed up as well. I think Liz is right. May just have to whack these down big time come this fall. But you can see right where that tree was pushing them out here, so I trimmed him back. He was up on the roof, so hopefully got that chilled out. All right, hear weird things, man. I heard from my neighbor today that depressing. People are so quick to draw a racist card anymore, man. It's pitiful. That's why I say we got to protect this republic. There's forces that are very destructive, domestic forces that are very destructive. We got to get stuff put back in check. Anyway, love my family and friends, and to the rest of you out there, get out and do something positive. Help this republic of ours. Do something positive. All right. Peace, everybody. This is a wrap.